A young farmer from Odisha is creating waves in the global agricultural market with a unique variety of black rice. Meet Bikram Gaud from Chikitigada in Ganjam district, who has taken Odisha's special Labanya black rice to international buyers in Chicago, USA. Known for its rich nutritional value and high antioxidant content, black rice is gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers worldwide. It is often considered a premium health food due to its potential benefits, especially for people managing lifestyle-related health issues. Bikram cultivated this rare variety on 10 acres of farmland and produced more than 8 tons of black rice this year. Out of this, 7 tons were directly exported to Chicago, while 1 ton was sold to a buyer in Koraput. Breaking away from traditional farming and middlemen, Bikram used social media and digital platforms to connect directly with international customers. After completing the required packaging and export procedures, he successfully shipped his produce overseas. While black rice is sold in India at around Rs 300 to 350 per kilogram, Bikram exported it at Rs 120 per kilogram to build long-term business opportunities in the global market. His journey began in 2018 with an investment of around Rs 3 lakh. Today, his innovative farming has helped him earn nearly Rs 8 lakh and has placed Odisha's black rice on the international map. Bikram Gaud's success story shows how technology, innovation and determination can help farmers move beyond traditional agriculture and create a global identity.
लावण्य कोई गोटे भेराइटी अच्छे जोटा कि आसाम एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा डेवलप कराई तो सेठू आम नागालैंड आसाम नागालैंड गोटे फार्मर टू आम पैडी प्रक्रिया करूँ गोटे डेमो कलु आम क्लाइमेट जाए सुट है तो आम एक्सपैंड कलु जेहेतु ओडिशा रे एग्रीकल्चर क्लाइमेट सुटेबल अच्छी राइस फार्मिंग कि मार्केट यार ना तो से मन बढ़ेली जदि इंटरनेशनल मार्केट रे जदि यार जदि सेल हो पार ताले चाषी मैंने अधिका लाभवान हो पारे। बैक साइड देखुए ब्लैक कलर पैकेट रे ब्लैक राइस रो माने धान अच्छे सब एटा आज सब मिलिंग हम आउ 2 दिन भितर सब ट्रांसपोर्ट माध्यम सी पोर्ट चेन्नई जीव यहाँ चेन्नई से यूएसए पठे।